Amazon arbitrage leads. That's what this video is about. We're going to keep it quick. And here's the purpose of the video: to actually give you some Amazon leads. Yes, this channel, I talk about selling on Amazon all the time, but you have to understand this is a channel about action. So, don't you kind of get tired of watching Amazon videos all the time and we talk and we talk and we talk, and that's doing nothing for you? You need something actionable, something that you can get out there and sink your teeth into and start sourcing right now. So if you're a newbie and you're gated in a lot of stuff, well, that's what I focus on. But it's not just about talk. I have to give you something. Now, let me show you what I mean. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. What we're going to do, we're going to take a quick look at my account, because this is part of transparency. This is where I show you that what I'm doing actually works. Here, let me highlight my cursor so you can follow along. Now, you see today is December the 15th. The year is 2020. I got 3 orders I need to ship today, but that's not important. What's important is this. So far today, I've had 7 units sold for $246.07. And over the last 7 days, roughly, if we round up, 8,000. If we go the last 15 days, 11,500. The last running 30 days, $20,304.71. And what does that mean to you? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing, unless I'm helping you. You see what I'm saying? Now watch, we're going to go just a little bit further, then we're going to get to helping you get something today. All right, so watch this. We're going to look at, let's say, month to date. We're going to apply that. We don't care about last year. We're looking at this month. Look at the numbers, okay? Look at how that chart moves. This is real, guys. Everything isn't always going up. Things are going up. They're going down. Now, look at the month started out $683.64. It got as low as $77.72 over 4 units in a day. But look at it, got up as high as $1,557 in one day, 52 units in one day. It got as high as 56 units, $1,750.38 in one day. If we look at our year to date, look. Last year we did $103,225.18. This year, $192,838.74. And if you follow this channel, that's been around since 2017, each year it's going up. And you know what? We still got 2 weeks left in December. We're probably going to actually go over 200,000 and double. And here's the point. The point is, I drive a truck for a living. I'm not one of these gurus in front of a Lamborghini talking about lifestyle. I'm talking about work. But it's not enough to just talk about work. We got to get you into it. So watch what happens here. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the software that I use all the time and I preach about. It's called Tactical Arbitrage. Sorry about that. Telephone. Let me just open this up so you can see everything. Now watch what I do here so you can understand how I'm using this software to make that kind of money. Yes, you can do it. And what I'm showing you here right now, this is ungated. So don't even worry, I'm not going to be able to sell it. Yes, you will. And we're going to put the link in the description for you. So watch what happens with the software. The software puts data in front of you. I teach you how to evaluate the data. That's all you're doing when you're sourcing. You're taking data and you're evaluating. That is the skill. Once you learn that skill, done deal, baby. Where are we sourcing from? Target. What's the estimated monthly sales? How many of these are going to sell in a month? 48. What's the sales rank? What's the average 90 rank? Those tell you just how popular the product is. You'll learn about that. Okay. Quick rule though, the lower the number, the better. Okay. Adjusted price. This is what I have to pay with tax. Now, I don't know what your tax situation is, but I'm in Pennsylvania. I got to pay 6%. This is what the buy box is. Okay. If you don't know what the buy box is, probably 85% of all sales that happen on Amazon happen in the buy box. In other words, you see a add to cart button, you add it, and you don't know who of the 12 or 13 or 20 people that sell the product, who gets the sale? Well, whoever's controlling the buy box. So this is what the buy box is. This is what your gross profit would be. $10.95. This is the return on investment, 40, almost 50%, guys. This software puts the data right in front of you. Now watch this. This is the link that shows you the product where you're going to source. This is the link that shows you the product on Amazon. So this is what you would do. You'd click here. You'd see the product right there. You'd make sure that the price is right. You'd make sure that they ship it to you. Done. Then you go over to Amazon. You make sure here. You make sure that it's the price, the buy box. Actually, they suppressed it. But we'll open that up. We'll filter. Oh my goodness. There is no FBA. So if you like FBA, you rule this. You could actually easily sell this for like $5 more. But there's a cost that comes with FBA. We ain't going to talk about it in this video. It's not all that it's cracked up to be. But yes, it does work. FBA means you ship all of your inventory into Amazon. They do everything. Soup to nuts. Ship, pick, pack, returns, inquiries, everything. All right. So here's the deal. I'm not even going to keep this video much longer than this because all you really need is the leads. So here's the deal. I'm going to make a deal with you. Okay? Listen, everybody wants you to watch their videos. What if you never had to come to YouTube and watch another video? What if every week I was giving you free ungated leads right to your inbox? That is the deal I'm offering to you right now. And I'm asking you to pay attention. I'm asking you, that's a form of payment. You're going to use your mind. That is your most valuable currency. I'm asking you to pay attention to me. And in return, I'm going to give you value. And let me show you what I mean by that. What you want to do is come down into the description. You're going to see a link. And when you click on that link, you're going to sign up. That way you get all the information that for these products. Okay, so you're going to get the link for Target. You're going to get the link on Amazon. You're going to get all of that information that I talked about. Okay, and then from then on, every week, free leads to you. Just for spending time with me right here, right now. This is what I do. This is what I've been doing since 2017. So if you don't understand what I'm all about, go back. It's over 200 videos. Go back. We're not going to play this game where, well, what does this guy want? No. You ain't got to wonder because the proof is right there in the videos. This is what I do. Now, let me show you exactly what you're going to get. So once you sign up, this is what you'll get to your inbox. You'll get free leads like this where I explain everything. You can see the rank, estimated profit, return on investment, all the links to the product. That's what you're going to get. Okay. Now, in the meantime, what you want to do, also down in the description, you'll see links for the Lightning course and the Lightning course Part 2. Okay, those are 2 free courses right on YouTube. You ain't got to go nowhere. Okay, that way you learn how to use the software. You want to get numbers like me? Did you see those numbers? 20,000 in the last running 30 days in gross. You want to get numbers like that? It's not rocket science, guys. This Amazon thing really ain't that hard, man. All you got to do is take action. Quit talking about it. Quit dreaming about it, smiling, feeling good, and actually do something. Okay, you got to take action. So, and I'm not here to just tell you to take action. I'm here to tell you to take action and then give you the action steps right here, right now. Not some 2-hour, webinar. Okay, guys, take the Lightning course, take the Lightning course Part 2. Then, once you know how to use the software, then use my affiliate link. That way you can get 10 days of a free trial and the software will pay for itself in those 10 days because you'll know how to use the software. Okay, use the link right now so you can get that product right now. And let me tell you something. The product that I just showed you, where we went to Target and everything, by the time you watch this video, it may be gone because guess who got the leads first? Who got this lead already? The people that are already signed up. They get this before I put it. out there. Why? Because they paid attention. They took action, and they should be rewarded for that. All right, guys. So you know what to do. Here are your action steps. Watch the lightning course. Watch the lightning course part 2. Sign up. Use the link. Sign up for your free leads. That way you're getting them. There's just so much down there in the description. We've got bulk list, everything. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video.